Okay, so here I'm going to go over the correct answers for 10.2. This was your homework that was due by this morning at 6 a.m. If you have submitted your homework assignment, what I would like you to do is you took a screenshot of it. You should be able to pull up that screenshot as we go through this and then check to see how you did. So if we look at the very first one is telling us to simplify the expression, write as power. So we've got 3 to the second times 3 to the second, and because it's multiplication and the bases are the same, this is going to be 3 to the 2 plus 2, which is 3 to the 4th. Number 4, 8 to the 10th times 8 to the 4th. Same thing. Our base is the same, and we're using multiplication, so this is going to be 8 to the 10 plus 4, which is going to be 8 to the 14th. Exercise 5 is going to be the same rule. The base is the same, and we have multiplication, so this is going to be negative 4 in parentheses to the 5 plus 7, which is going to be negative 4 to the 12th. Number 6, simplify the expression. We have 8 to the 3rd times 8 to the 3rd. The bases are the same, and we have multiplication, so we're going to add the exponent. So this is going to be a to the 3 plus 3, which is going to be a to the 6th. Exercise 8 is that same first rule. We've got a base that's the same. In this case, it's 2/3, and we've got times, and the bases are the same, so we're going to add the exponent, so that's going to be 2/3, and in the exponent we're going to have 2 plus 6, which is the 8th. And now we've got negative 2.9. The exponent here, if there's not an exponent given, it's just 1. So negative 2.9, we have multiplication, we're going to add the exponent, so that's going to be 1 plus 7. That's going to be negative 2.9 to the 8th. Exercise 12, this is the second rule. The second rule is when we have an exponent that's raised to another exponent, we multiply them. So if we go to the example for 12, it's b to the 12th, then it's raised to the 3rd, so we're going to multiply them, so this becomes b to the 12 times 3, or b to the 36th. In exercise 15, describe and correct the error. So we have 5 to the 2nd times 5 to the 9th. We should be adding those. But for some reason they put 5 times 5 in parentheses and then added them. So let's look at which one. The base should not be multiplied. Yeah, that's obvious it. They multiplied the base in here, which they should not have done. The bases should not be multiplied. 5 to the 2nd times 5 to the 9th. We should add them. Yeah, so it's got to be the first one. Exercise 17, this is now the one where we share it to the terms. So this is going to be 6g to the 3rd. We're going to share it to both terms. So we should get 6 to the 3rd, g to the 3rd. And I'm not sure if Big Ideas accepted this, but it looks like because of their answer, they wanted you to take this as far as you could. So if we did 6 to the 3rd on our calculator, 6 to the 3rd on our calculator is 216 g to the 3rd. And number 18 is going to be the same thing. We're going to take this 5 and we're going to share it. We're going to share a 5 to the negative 3 and to the v. So that would give me negative 3 to the 5th, v to the 5th. And then it looks like they wanted you to do it, so I'm going to go negative 3 in parentheses to the 5th. That gives me a negative 243 v to the 5th. Exercise 20, we're going to share that 4, so we have 1.2 m to the 4th. We're going to share it to both terms. So this would be 1.2 to the fourth m to the fourth. And I would have accepted this, but it looks like Big Ideas wanted it all the way. So if we did in parentheses 1.2 to the fourth, that's 2.0736 m to the fourth. Question number 25, we've got 2 to the fourth times 2 to the fifth minus 2 to the second raised to the second. So we're going to try and use order of operations. So the first thing is any parentheses. And we do have parentheses, so we can take care of this part right here. We can take care of this first, right? So when we have an exponent that's raised to a power, we're going to multiply them. So this would become 2 to the fourth times 2 to the fifth, now minus 2 to the fourth. Okay? Order of operations, so we're done with parentheses. Now we have exponents. We're going to leave it in exponent form for just a second. And then we've got multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So I'm going to go multiplication first, so we're going to come right here. This is going to be 2 to the fourth times 2 to the fifth. The base is the same, so we're going to add those. That's going to be 2 to the ninth minus 2 to the fourth. Now we don't have a shortcut for this, so what I would suggest is you plug this in your calculator. So I got 2 to the ninth is 512 minus 2 to the fourth, which is 16, gave me 496. So that's it. That was the quick rundown on your homework from over the weekend. And now we'll move on to lesson 10.3.